guys, how's it going? My name's Ciara, and welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on social media, you probably saw this hat I made a few weeks ago. It's my first contribution to MerMay this month. And luckily, I'll be making another one in this video today. I'm so excited to share this video with my good friend Jemilie over at Geeks and Quilts. She takes topics like gaming and turns them into quilts. How cool is that? I'll leave her links either in the card or in the description down below. Now let's dive into this video. Okay, so starting off, I just drew a little anchor on the back of the hat. Then moving to the front of the hat, I'd start to write "Let's be mermaids" in pink, and I quickly changed my mind after that. Instead, I added a pink to orange gradient, and then I added glitter on the bottom later. But before adding the glitter, I painted on a red and pink mermaid tail. So this was my second attempt of putting glitter on a hat, and if anybody has any tips, please let me know.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
As a final step, I cleaned up the lettering with a marker and I peeled off the tape. Here's what the hat looks like after it's all finished. And I added the shell on top for a little extra glam. I really enjoyed making these hats. It was fun and different, and I really want to do it again. And honestly, I don't think I did that bad. I did a really good job. What should I customize next? Maybe shoes? I don't know. Jemilie, thank you so much for collabing with me on this project. And guys, don't forget to go over and like Jemilie's video as well. She's an awesome person with awesome content. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you liked me, make sure to subscribe. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.